Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ahlan wa sahlan. Marhaban. Welcome to this video, guys. My name is Liaquat. So we are going through Surah al-Qasas. Actually, in fact, we are very close to the end of Surah al-Qasas. Let me know in the comments how we should finish this surah. What should we do? Should we have some sort of celebration? And also, let me know what we should do next. Right, so let me know what we should do next. I'm thinking maybe have a little break from Tarkeeb, maybe start something else, Balagha or something, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments, or maybe even some of you guys might be thinking start another surah. Anyway, whatever you guys decide, put it in the comments, inshallah ta'ala. Right, so Ja'a. Now the word Ja'a is from Jaya'a Hamza, which has the meaning of to come. Right, so Ja'a yaji'u. Hasana means something which is good, in fact a good deed, from the word Hasan. Hasana, a good deed. And then Sayya is the opposite. So Sayya means a bad deed. Yujza is from Jaza Yajzi, like we say Jazakallahu khairan. Right, so Jaza Yajzi has the meaning of rewarding, recompensing, giving someone something in return, whether it's good or bad. And then Ya'maluna, you guys should know that. Sayyi'at, we've done that. It's the Jama of Sayyi'ah. Okay, and there you have it. Right, let's have a go at the Tarkeeb now. So Tarkeeb. So man, this is two Tarkeebs for this. We'll do one and then we'll do the other. Ism, Shart, and then that becomes the Mubtada. And then Ja'a is the Fi'l plus the Fa'il. Bil Hasanati is going to be Jar. Al Hasanati is Majroor. Jar and Majroor put together are going to be muta'alliq to Ja'a. And then you have Falahu khairun minha. So Fa, it can be the Fa Jaza'iyah. And so this is just basically just like a partition between the Shart and Jaza. Lahu is Jar and Majroor. And Jar and Majroor is going to be muta'alliq to Thabitun. Right, so it's muta'alliq to Thabitun, and that becomes the Khabar Muqaddam. And then Khairun is going to be the Mubtada Muakhar. Yeah, it's Marfu Dhamma. Minha is Jar and Majroor. Jar Majroor is going to be muta'alliq to Khair. So Falahu Khairun Minha. And then that becomes the all of this becomes Jumla Ismiya Khabariya. And then Ja'a bil Hasana is Jumla Fi'liya Khabariya. Now all of this becomes the Khabar of Man. Right, so Man is the Mubtada. All of this Ja'a bil Hasanati Falahu Khairu Minha put together becomes the Khabar. Now all of this then becomes Jumla Ismiya Khabariya. Question is, how would we do the second Tarkeeb? So the second Tarkeeb is actually a Mawsul Sila one. This isn't the preferred one. Mawsul Sila one would simply be that Man is going to be the Mawsul. Ja'a bil Hasanati is going to be the Sila. Mawsul plus the Sila put together is going to become the Mubtada. And then Falahu Khairu Minha is going to become the Khabar. And then that becomes Jumla Ismiya Khabariya. And in the translation, I'll highlight to you the difference in the translation. Alright, so next. وَمَنْ جَاءَ بِالسَّيِّئَةِ. So man is going to be Ism, Shart again, Ja'a as before, Fi'al, plus the Fa'il. بِالسَّيِّئَةِ is Jar, Sayyi'at is Majroor, Jar Majroor put together is going to become muta'alliq to Ja'a. And then all of that, again the same as before. Jumla Fi'liya Khabariya. And then Fa, the same as before, Jaza'iyah, and the La is Nafi. Yujza is Fi'l plus the, actually no, just Fi'l. Alladhina is the Mawsul. Amilu is the Fi'l plus the Fa'il, which is hum, them. As-Sayyi'ati is the Maf'ul bihi. Okay, now all this put together is Na'ib Fa'il of the Yujza. Yeah, Alladhina Amilu As-Sayyi'at, Mawsul Sila, Na'ib Fa'il. Illa here, this is istithna. Now this istithna is actually what we call an istithna which is inactive, as in it doesn't do anything. Why? Because an istithna which is active has all of its parts before the istithna, right, before the illa. This one doesn't. This one has the fi'l plus the fa'il but does not have the maf'ul bihi. Right, so maf'ul bihi is after illa. The way you can actually identify if a istithna is like they say mufarragh, or this is it's not really kind of active, is if you put your finger on illa and you read the sentence, does that sentence grammatically fit? And if it does, then it means the illa is inactive. So in this case that's what's happened over here. So istithna is not active, and hence ما كانوا يعملون. ما is موصول, كانوا is fi'l plus the fa'il, not fa'il, rather ism, fi'l plus the ism, and يعملون is the fi'l plus the fa'il, which is hum, them again. And all this becomes jumla fi'liya khabariya in the khabar. كانوا is going to be jumla fi'liya khabariya, and that's going to be the sila mawsul put together, and then all that becomes the maf'ul bihi of amilu. Okay, amilu, and there you have it. Alladhina, actually yeah, it's supposed to be alladhina, isn't it? Yeah, alladhina amilu sayyat, yeah, that's mawsul sila. Right, so all of this is the sila, alladhina is the mawsul sila put together becomes the naib file. And that's it basically. That's jumla fi'liya khabariya. That's how we do it. And that becomes the khabar of man ja'a bisayyati. And then you could do the same thing as I showed you in the green one. Same thing as before. So man ja'a bisayyati can be the mawsul sila, and the rest of it can be the khabar. Yeah, so that's two options there. Okay, I'm actually thinking of not doing the sarf. Some of you guys were saying that leave the sarf out. So I'm thinking of leaving the sarf issue. Let me know in the comments if you think I should continue just highlighting some sarf points in each lesson. If you think I should continue, put in the comments. And if you think I shouldn't continue, also put in the comments. So, okay, so this is, now, what's the mahall of i'rab for all of these now? So, you go over here, فَلَهُ خَيْرٌ مِنْهَا. If you make that into the khabar, then that's obviously rafa. If you make جَاءَ بِالْحَسَنَةِ, and all that into the khabar, then that's going to be rafa. Yeah, so the same for the جَاءَ بِالسَّيِّئَةِ فَلَا يُجْزَى, all of that. عَمِلُ السَّيِّئَةِ has no mahal because it's the sila, right? يَعْمَلُونَ is the rafa. كانوا, actually no, it's actually nasab, change that. Rafa, يَعْمَلُ is not rafa, it's actually nasab of kanu because it's the khabar of kanu. Okay, let's look at the translation now. So, man, it means whoever. Now this is if we translate it as the ism shart, we translate it as whoever. But if you translate it as the mawsul sila, then you're going to translate it as the one who brought a good deed. That's how you can say it. Right, so it's not going to be whoever. And that's why I said the translation of the one who brought the good deed is not going to be like precise. Ja'a means to come, yeah, or came, right? And in this case, because you got whoever, shart, the fi'l madi, past verb, has the meaning of future. So ja'a is going to mean to come, yeah, whoever comes. Bil hasanati, bi, with al hasana, good deed. Now when we translate this, we don't translate like this, okay? So I've written it down just to show you guys, but we do not translate this like this because this ba is actually what we call a ba ta'diyah. If you want to know more about this ba, I've actually done a series on my YouTube channel about the seven different types of ba. I've written 7 lessons. Yeah, the different types of ba. I'll try to link this video or the ba video in the comments so you guys can check that out or the description. So all of this now is going to be translated as whoever brings a good deed. Whoever brings a good deed. Falahu, then for him, will be khairun minha, or for him is better than it. Will be might be better than it. وَمَنْ جَاءَ بِسَيِّئَةٍ, and whoever brings, again, whoever brings a bad deed, فَلَا يُجْزَى, then that person will not be rewarded, or will not be rewarded الذين, those who عملوا السيئات, who performed bad deeds. So this part is going to be translated as those who did bad deeds. So you translate it as past. Those who did bad deeds, not those who do bad deeds. Those who did bad deeds will not be rewarded except, like that. إلا, except ما كانوا يعملون, what they used to do. ما كانوا يعملون, what they used to do or perform. Right, so now when you look at the whole translation of this, so man ja'a bil hasanati, whoever brings a good deed, that person will get better than it. And whoever does a bad deed, then those who did bad deeds will not be rewarded except what they used to do. So here, this verse here is kind of like giving us a deep insight into how the system of reward works. Right, it's a very simple system. You do good in the world, Allah will reward you with good, in a good way. And you do bad in the world, Allah will reward you with bad, what you deserve. Right, so notice this, the length of the sentence is different as well. So man ja'a bil hasanati falahu khayrun minha. You would have expected the next part to say man ja'a bis sayyi'ati falahu whatever. But it didn't say this. It's fala yujza, it's actually longer. Fala yujza alladhina amilu sayyi'ati illa ma kanu ya'malun. Now the reason for why this is possibly longer is because this part of the verse is showing you like the justice of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when you do good, Allah gives you more than what you deserve. Khayrun minha. When you do bad, Allah does not give you worse than what you deserve. Allah gives you exactly what you deserve and nothing more. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's if you translate it as whoever. And if you translate it as, like I said, Mawsul Sila, then it would have translated as whoever brought a good deed, then for him is better than it. And whoever brought a bad deed, then la yujza, same as the rest of it. Alright, so Jazakallah khair, guys. Let's look at the next verse then. It's going to be for the next lesson. And you can have a go at these as well in your own time. إن الذي فرض عليك القرآن لرادك إلى معاد قل ربي أعلم من جاء بالهدى ومن هو في ضلال مبين. Jazakallah khair, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell button. 3 things you guys can do, and it will help me a lot, and I really appreciate. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair, guys, for all of your support. Without your support, I wouldn't have been able to produce the videos that I've put up on my YouTube channel. And there is so much more that I really want to do. And without the support of you guys who are patrons, generously supporting this channel, I've been able to get myself a camera, which, as you guys can see, the quality of this camera, a mic system, software. I've been able to hire an editor. So what do I want to do? I want to make lots and lots and lots of more videos for beginners, for intermediate, advanced, in the subjects like Arabic and fiqh and hadith and tafsir and aqidah and all those other things as well. And for this to happen, again, this channel needs support. So if you guys want to become patrons and support this channel, then check out the link below. Also, if you do become patrons, you'll have access to videos that I don't put up on my normal YouTube channel. So check that out, inshallah. And there's most other perks as well that you guys can benefit from. And if you want to access this channel through social media, we've got Twitter, we've got Instagram, Facebook page, and other things as well that you can visit. So Jazakumullah khair again, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.